Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you how you can add your AliExpress products to your Shopify. At first, go to this app called Deezers, search it on your Chrome and then click on it. After that, use your email that you used to log into your Shopify and then click on Free Install, set a password, and then click on Link a Shopify store, and then just click on Add App. After that, it's gonna ask you to log into the account in which you're connected your Shopify with, so click on that and then say yes. After that, we're gonna click on Install App, and then we're gonna start with the basic for now, and then it says link to AliExpress, so you click on that and just connect to your account that you are connected with Shopify, and then it says authorize,
and then it is automatically going to be connected to your Shopify account. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.